My engineering brain has been obsessed with this bell pepper plant. Bell peppers are rewarding but tricky in containers. Too much shade, not enough calcium, or cramped roots, and your harvest suffers. You might get a lush plant, but no peppers. Frustrating, right? But here's the secret. When you understand what peppers need, even a balcony pot can yield handfuls of sweet fruit. Your container is a mini ecosystem. Control the light, water, and nutrients, and you control the harvest. Today, I'll share my best container pepper hacks. Simple, proven, and beginner-friendly. We'll break down the science, from picking the right pot to boosting fruit production. These aren't just old gardening tips, these are strategies I've tested myself. By the end, you'll have a blueprint for pepper growing success, ready to grow a ton of delicious crunchy peppers. Let's get started. Start with compact types like California Wonder or Lunchbox, perfect for pots. They produce heavily without needing deep soil or sprawling space. Use at least a 5-gallon container per plant. More root space means stronger, fruitier peppers. Drill extra holes or add coarse material at the bottom. No drainage, no peppers. Peppers need 6 to 8 hours of full sun. If it's shady, use a reflective wall to boost light. Mix compost, cocoa peat, and garden soil. Add worm castings to feed the microbes. Healthy soil, healthy peppers. Dissolve a tablespoon of Epsom salt per gallon of water and apply every 2 weeks for strong stems. Spray blended, strained garlic water to keep aphids and mites away, safe for good bugs. Place black mulch or plastic under pots to keep roots warm and active. Let the top inch dry, then water deeply. Strong roots, drought-tolerant plants. Grow basil, onions, or marigolds nearby. They repel pests and attract pollinators, perfect pepper partners. Soak banana peels in water for a week. Use the liquid monthly for a potassium boost. More flowers, more fruit. Add a layer of straw or leaves. It keeps soil cool, moist, and weed-free. Pinch top leaves at 10 inches to encourage more fruiting stems. Indoors, use a brush or gently shake flowers to ensure every bloom becomes a pepper. Weekly compost tea feeds your plants and boosts soil microbes. Too much nitrogen means leaves, not peppers. Use a balanced or low nitrogen fertilizer. Space containers for airflow. Dry leaves mean fewer fungal problems. Use bamboo sticks or cages to support heavy fruit clusters. Turn pots every few days for even growth and balanced light. Pick peppers at full color for max flavor. Frequent picking encourages more blooms. There you have it, 20 hacks to turn a pot into a pepper powerhouse. We've covered everything from soil to support. Each tweak adds up to a bigger harvest. You don't need a backyard to grow amazing food. Container gardening is freedom. Grow fresh peppers on any balcony or windowsill. Remember, give them space, light, and the right food. Feed your soil, respect the roots, and you'll be rewarded. Now you have the blueprint. Go try it out. I'm the Soil Doctor, and this is Dirt Decoded, helping you grow smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. See you next time.